Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading, and today is May 27th, 2025, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, markets really wavering. Yesterday was Memorial Day in the United States. U.S. markets were closed. So shifting over to today, no major economic events scheduled for today, but tomorrow we do have NVIDIA coming out with their corporate earning report. Now looking at the markets ahead of time, now looking at the Forex symbols, the US dollar does get a bounce versus the major pairs almost across the board. Now looking at the indices, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ were closed yesterday, so really unchanged in the markets. And now looking at commodities, gold continues to slide, while stocks yesterday obviously unchanged. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin holding steady to its higher highs on its highs. But let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here you go. First with the British pound. Now the dollar is getting stronger, and you can see that red candle down. And I did say this. I did say that we may still retrace at these levels, even though the GBP pushed to new highs. But this is the thing, okay? We're at a new level right now, and we're going to be trading, at least for now, in a certain range, okay? So just be aware of it. We do have support at 134-ish, and it's still way to go for that, 100 pips. So still, we're just consolidating here. Let's see how today unfolds. Now looking at the Canadian dollar, same thing, dollar getting slightly stronger, and so did the Japanese yen. So the dollar getting stronger across the board. Now jumping into commodities, let's take a look at gold. It continues to slide below that 30-day moving average. I said this. We're in a trading range. Yesterday I said this, and we may continue to just retrace here, okay? There is a level of resistance at 33.65, which we hit previously. And now we're another 30 points lower, okay, from yesterday where we were trading at 33.36, and today we're at 33.05. So that continues to show some weakness, okay? But we may get a bounce, okay? It's a very choppy kind of trading. Now looking at the U.S. markets, a little bit of a green candle this morning, okay, right before the U.S. markets do open. Nothing really big, nothing striking here, okay? We are going into summer trading, and historically speaking, that's usually when the U.S. markets kind of tone down some of their volatility. So not much doing there, okay? But lastly, I do want to cover Bitcoin because that has been really in play recently. Okay, it is consolidating into upper range, and if we see a lift upwards in the markets, Bitcoin may be the first one to go higher. So keep this on the radar, even though we're in lighter trading sessions because we're heading into summer in the Northern Hemisphere. And historically speaking, as I mentioned before, most big institutional traders kind of tone it down during this time of the year. So it's something to consider as we're going into this summer trading. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.